Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export bookmarks from the Brave browser step by step. Exporting your bookmarks lets you create a backup or transfer them to another browser. So let's get started. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Next, click the three-line menu in the top right corner. Then select Bookmarks. Next, click Bookmark Manager. In the Bookmark Manager, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then select Export Bookmarks. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Next, enter a file name if needed. Then click Save. Your bookmarks will be exported as an HTML file. You can use this file to import your bookmarks into another browser or keep it as a backup. And that's it. You've successfully exported bookmarks from the Brave browser. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Brave browser tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.